So now I'll import the 3D models I've prepared. Oh, it's already inside, so it's creating a mess. I'll just put it down there. I'll just scale it down. There you go. First I will take the 3D model and put it within the fish bowl here, or under the main pond. Here we go. This is the main component. Just let me. You can see replacing the 3D models is not a big issue. We have worked on the main parts separately, and now we just need to replace, as you can see here. And for the fish, I have one here. I'll just replace it with one of the boxes. You can see I already prepared the animation. There we go. We just need to move stuff here. Here we go. This is just a very simple example on how you can replace the 3D models. And for the most part, when you have something you worked before like this box, you just hide the mesh of it. It will still be detected, but it won't be visible in the scene from here. Now we can do the same for the rest of the lens, and we can spice it up at the end. So now we have everything in place. We can just spice it up, like you can do sound effects when you catch the fish. I'll just or you can add an ending for the game when the user catch all the fish in the pond. And moreover, I have one more challenge for those creative lens creators who can go into the deep waters. The challenge as follows. You remember when we detected the collision between the hook and the fish? We were throwing the fish out of the water using just the twin, just to avoid doing more complicated stuff and sticking it to the hook. My challenge to those lens creators: try to stick the fish to the hook like that for a little bit before it falls down, and share with me the work you have done. Next time we'll go through all your work and whatever creativity you have added to this type of project. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Let me know what you think of this one or on my tips I shared throughout the tutorial. See you next time. And let me know in the comments if you'd like to see the next tutorial from within.